Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review for You. Today we're doing a super practical video, 10 legal self-defense tools you can buy on Amazon right now. These are budget-friendly, easy to carry, and built to help you escape a bad situation, not to escalate one. I'll explain what each item actually does, how to use it safely, and who it's best for. Quick reminder before we start. Laws vary by state and country, so always check your local regulations before buying or carrying any self-defense tool. Let's get into it. Product 1. SABRE Personal Safety Kit with Pepper Spray. SABRE is practically the household name for pepper spray, and for good reason. This personal safety kit bundles two things you want: a compact pepper spray canister and a 130 decibels personal alarm with an LED. Why it's useful. The pepper spray delivers multiple, powerful bursts and includes UV dye so authorities can identify an assailant later. That's huge for follow-up. The built-in twist lock prevents accidental discharge in a purse or pocket. The alarm is ear-piercing, perfect for grabbing attention and scaring off an attacker. How to carry/use. Attach the spray to your keys or bag with the quick release. If you feel threatened, pull the pin on the alarm to get people's attention and use the spray from a safe distance. Pros: reliable formula, UV dye, free training videos included. Cons/note: pepper spray affects everyone differently. Practice with inert trainers and always check expiry dates. Product 2. Police Magnum Compact Pepper Spray Self-Defense. Another solid pepper spray option is the Police Magnum Compact Canister. It's small, palm-sized, and designed for easy one-hand use. Key features: lab-tested OC formula for consistent performance. Range: advertised 8 to 12 feet, that gives you time to retreat. Includes a practice spray so you're not fumbling in an emergency. Use case: joggers, students, people who want something lightweight in a pocket. Pros: compact, replaceable, practice option. Cons: spray distance varies with wind. Always test with practice units in a safe environment. Product 3. The most loaded 6-in-1 tactical pen. This isn't just a fancy pen, it's a real EDC multi-tool. It writes smoothly, but the body is aircraft-grade aluminum, so it doubles as a tactical strike tool and includes extras like a flashlight, bottle opener, screwdriver, and wrench heads. Why carry it? It's discreet, looks like a normal pen in meetings, classrooms, or airports. When folded into a defense tool, the weighted tip can be used to create space and buy time to escape. How to use safely. Use it as a deterrent first. Shine the flashlight, make noise, then use the striking surface only as a last resort. Keep spare ink refills and batteries ready. Pros: multifunction, discreet, inexpensive. Cons: not a substitute for training, practice grips, and legal usage scenarios. Product 4. FIGHTSENSE Mini Stun Gun plus Pepper Spray Combo. Combos are popular for a reason. The FIGHTSENSE kit gives you electrical deterrence plus chemical deterrence. The stun gun delivers a painful shock and an audible crack, and the pepper spray offers a ranged option. Notable features: built-in 120 lumen flashlight to disorient or illuminate escape routes. Rechargeable stun, no expensive batteries. Comes with holsters/pouches so you can carry it safely. Use guidance. The stun gun is close range. It's a tactile deterrent that creates a window to run. The pepper spray is for a safer standoff. Pros: 2-layer protection, integrated light, rechargeable. Cons/warning: stun guns are restricted in some places. Check local law and practice safe handling. Product 5. VIPERTEK VTS 880 Mini Stun Gun Rechargeable. VIPERTEK's mini stun gun is tiny but intimidating, loud, bright, and designed to be easily concealed in a pocket or purse. Why people like it? Rechargeable battery, no hunting for disposable cells. Non-slip rubber coating for a secure grip. Lifetime warranty from the brand for peace of mind. Practical tip: carry it in a holster, test the charge periodically, and keep it locked when not in use. Pros: compact, reliable charge, built-in light. Cons: because it's small, the contact area is limited, aim matters. Product 6. Police Magnum Pepper Spray Pen, discreet pen style. Want to remain discreet? A pepper spray disguised as a pen gives you concealability with quick access. Police Magnum makes a pen-style spray that functions like a normal pen, but fires OC spray when needed. Why it's clever? Looks harmless until you need it. One-hand activation is possible if you practice. Full expiration dates printed. Many sellers ensure long shelf life. Safety tip: Keep the cap secured to avoid accidental discharge, and practice removing the cap fast under stress. Pros: discreet, quick access, design familiarity. Cons: paint/wear may show over time. Keep an eye on maintenance. Product 7. edcfans Keychain Multi-Tool 8-in-1. This stainless steel keychain tool isn't a weapon. It's a utility multi-tool that doubles as an emergency defense improvised tool if needed. It includes a box cutter, bottle opener, pry bar, screwdriver, wrench cutouts, and more. Why carry it? Extremely versatile for everyday tasks, opening boxes, tightening screws, cutting tape. If confronted, using a solid tool to create distance or distraction is a practical option. Carry tip: keep it on your keys or clip to your bag for instant access. Pros: lightweight, functional, practical EDC. Cons: some units have mixed durability reviews. Buy one with good returns policy. Product 8. Mini Keychain Knife with Carabiner blade less than 3. A compact folding knife with a blade under 3 inches is generally legal in many places as an everyday tool, but laws vary, so double check. These knives are fantastic for cutting rope, opening boxes, and other practical chores. What to look for: liner lock or secure a lockback to prevent accidental closure. A carabiner clip for quick attachment to straps or belts. 440C stainless steel is a common, corrosion-resistant choice. Usage advice: treat it like a tool, not a weapon. Keep the blade sharp for safer cutting. Dull knives slip, and practice opening/closing safely. Pros: highly practical, easy carry, multi-use. Cons: local restrictions. Some buyers report mixed build quality. Product 9. Self-Defense Pocket Multi-Tool for Women 9-in-1. This compact multi-tool is marketed toward women, but works for anyone. It blends small tools with safety features like a glass breaker and a mini hammer. It's perfect to keep in a purse, designed for escape and utility. Real-world scenarios: car accident, escape, use glass breaker. Quick household fixes, scissors, bottle opener. Emergency signaling or creating noise. Pros: multi-purpose, small footprint, includes window breaking option. Cons: don't rely on it as your only safety plan, pair it with awareness and planning. Product 10. Flashlight plus stun pen combo tactical pen with light and shock. Last on the list is a combo tactical pen that offers bright LED illumination plus a stun function. It's designed to look like a normal pen but provides a non-lethal deterrent when needed. Features to notice: micro USB/USB-C recharge so you don't buy batteries. Battery indicator lets you know it's ready. One button operation for quick access. How to integrate it into EDC. Keep it in an easy reach pocket, practice switching modes, and treat the stun function as a last resort escape tool. Pros: multi-function, rechargeable, discreet. Cons/legal. Stun devices are restricted in some jurisdictions. Always check before purchasing. Which tool would you add to your carry right now? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. If you want, I can make a follow-up video showing how to practice with training versions of pepper spray and alarms, or a hands-on demo of stun pens and tactical pens. Smash that like button if this video helped you, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the follow-up. Stay safe, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next one. Honest Review for You signing off.